Greetings from the beautiful Swedish nature on the lake Söderbysjön in Nacka, one of my go-to spontaneous nudist beach spots in Stockholm. And yes, we have quite cloudy day today, and the rain is on the horizon and a bit colder than yesterday. Currently we have 16 degrees Celsius in the air, but I think it's gonna be maybe the same also in the water, in the lake. It is 21st of May and it's time for beach day number 37 in the books. Yesterday I went on the sea and it was amazing. I had so much fun, but today I actually finally resumed my cycling beach adventures and took my Scott gravel bike. One of the tires was not fully pumped, but I just didn't have time to pump it. I just wanted to get out before the rain, and 21 minutes for 7.5 kilometers to get here. And I'm still in post-Eurovision euphoria. The depression still hasn't kicked in, and I still have lots and lots of content from Eurovision to post, so I am a busy bee these days. Yes, Söderbysjön in Nacka, spontaneous nudist beach spot for sure, especially in the high summer. On a day like this there will be no nudist for sure. And I'm so curious what is the temperature in the water, which is why I'm going to measure it while I show you more of the nature. Yesterday I actually did swim 2 times 5 minutes in the sea, and I went also for one more extra dip because I didn't have my thermometer with me at the sea, but it was somewhere between 15 and 16 based on my magical sense for water temperature that I have acquired through the years of beach adventures. Yeah, it's quite amazing nature. I'm so happy to be here today, and I'm planning also to do some dances here as well for Eurovision. So let's see what it's going to be. And we have 16 degrees Celsius in the lake. Oh my god, that's amazing. Which means we can be also longer in the lake and enjoy more time in the water. So yes, Söderbysjön, one of the many lakes in Stockholm region for sure. And let's then get going. So yeah, it's a Thursday, and tonight I'm planning on going on a concert at Lund. It's Rick Astley. Never gonna give you up, never gonna let you down, right? That's his most famous song, but he has obviously a few more for sure. All right, let's get cracking. Oh, okay, it's not as warm as I thought that it would be. To be fair, I think it's the same temperature as yesterday in the sea, if I feel it correctly. But yesterday it was also sunny, so maybe that's not the best comparison also, because you feel more warm when you are getting into the water. So Kris is continuing the beach adventures from the beautiful Swedish nature. So let's then ready, set, and go! Oh my god, that's so refreshing. Yeah, this finally pleasant temperature to swim. Maybe now that I think of, slightly warmer than yesterday. And so happy that now we're gonna start the swim season also outdoors in the natural waters, because I don't have a membership in the pool right now, but I'm also out and swimming outdoors, so I will start swimming indoors maybe somewhere in October again. So yeah, beautiful, beautiful nature, and it's time for Kris to enjoy a longer swim today in the lake in this beautiful nudist beach spot in Sweden. So thank you so much for watching this beach vlog once again on my channel that it's called Beach Adventures with Kris. See you soon again.